Hello. So, today we are going to learn about what is data science and how it works. So, let's start. What is, first of all, what is a data analytics? Right. Data analytics is a process of exploring and analyzing large data sets to make predictions and help data-driven decision making. Like you can see here, some pie charts, some bar graphs, and how to analyze, how to interpret these charts, these graphs, so we can you and how we can use these uh, graphs into our research work, right? And how the application of data analytics work, like in applications, fraud analysis, healthcare, inventory management, target marketing, and we can use in different type of data analytics at different level, like at what the difficulty level and the value. So here we can see that we have a descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Now, what is descriptive analytics and predictive and prescriptive analysis and how they work? For example, we can see that in this picture, we have a sofa set, table, chair. So studying the total units of furniture sold and the profit that was made in the past, right? And what is predictive? Where we have some variables like independent variables or dependent variables, exploratory analysis, factor analysis, confirmatory analysis, regression, correlation, like. And what is prescriptive analysis? Where we have to finding the ways to improve the sales and the profit. Then we have what are the steps for data analytics and data science. So these are the steps. First of all, we have to take the data collection, data preparation, then data exploration, data modeling, and finalize we have to take the results, future scope, and the conclusion. Here we can see that AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data science are correlated with each other, right? We can say that data science is a part of AI, some machine learning algorithms, and some deep learning algorithms also. Here we can see that machine learning, some examples and their use, that machine learning is inferring knowledge from data, right? Learning, optimizing a performance criterion. Then we can also say that this makes to teach itself to grow and change when exposed to a new data, and it enables computer to find hidden insights using iterative algorithms, right? Then we have some applications of machine learning, that Google Maps, product recommendations, self-driving cars, etc. Machine learning steps, we can divide it into 5 steps, like collection of the data, data wrangling, analyzing of the data, train the algorithm, and test the algorithm. And we can also say that some verification and validation also. Uh, in this figure, we can say that machine learning is attached with supervised learning, unsupervised learning, clustering, dimensional reduction, and reinforcement learning. So here we can see that this is a supervised learning where we have y is a variable, which is an output variable, and x are the variables which we can say that these are my input variables. So the goal is to approximate the mapping function. So when you have to new input data that you can predict the output. Unsupervised means that no labels are given to the learning algorithm and leaving it on its own to the fine structure in its input. Then we have unsupervised learning examples. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on data analytics, data science, machine learning, reinforcement learning, deep learning, and how they are correlated with each other. And uh, I hope you enjoyed this session and hope in future, whatever the video lecture, the assessment, the test, and you will also find the ways to grow in your career with the use of machine learning, AI, data science, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, right? We can also discuss one more example, that reinforcement learning, where we have some agent, their action, their state and reward, and what type of environment we have, right? So thank you so much. Uh, all the best.